Welcome to Furnace Repair Neighbors, Southwest Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the best choice if you're looking for reliable HVAC contractors in your local area. We offer services for commercial and residential properties. We have more than 25 years expertise in the HVAC industry and can deal with any of your toughest HVAC problems. Our HVAC technicians and contractors are highly skilled in every aspect of the cooling and heating industry. They provide exceptional services with excellent results, excellent customer service, and affordable pricing. Every member of our team is proud to be up to date in all codes and latest technologies to ensure your family and home in good health. No matter how complex or big the task it is, we appreciate doing what we do. This shows in the high quality work we do. Our HVAC contractors can handle all kinds of heating and cooling needs, from routine maintenance to large central heating and cooling system installation. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're among the best and most reliable technicians in the business. Your job will be completed correctly every time. Right now Heating and Cooling anticipates that we will continue to work with us even after the new equipment is installed. Our ongoing service is designed to ensure your unit operates optimally without disrupting breakdowns. We provide a variety of services such as furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our policy has always been simple, which is to provide a competitive price by using highly skilled HVAC technicians that do not charge charges hidden, and backed by a 100% guarantee on the work done. If you need any heating or cooling repairs, or for installation services for your home or company or business, our HVAC technicians are here to assist you. We provide a variety of pricing options, and we guarantee our work. Emergency and weekend service as in warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website, or contact us at 503-300-6124.